Do you want your Alcantara steering wheel to look like this instead of this? You would typically think that Alcantara is ruined when it gets to this point. That is not the case. This is just dirt, and we are going to show you the simple process on how to restore your Alcantara steering wheel on this M Performance wheel fitted to this M340i with nearly 60,000 miles on it. For this quick and simple process, we use Polestar pH neutral cleaner. As for the applicator, we recommend using an interior scrubbing pad, or you can use a soft detailing brush or a microfiber cloth. Step 1. Spray the cleaner onto the applicator. Step 2. Thoroughly scrub the Alcantara, but don't be too firm. You're trying to remove the embedded dirt from the Alcantara, not the Alcantara from the wheel. Step 3. Remove the excess cleaner with a microfiber cloth, then voila! You can apply this quick and simple cleaning process to all Alcantara leather and plastic surfaces in your car. This is one of the very many processes that we carry out on every single vehicle that we sell here at Automotive Addiction.